Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll show you the pros and cons after 50,000 miles. Let's start with pros. Comfortable ride quality, smooth over bumps and quiet cabin. Reliable MBUX system, fast, rarely glitches even after years. Fuel efficiency, real world 6.5 to 7.5 liters for 100 km. Low oil consumption, engine stays stable between services. Strong resale value, better than most compact MPVs. For cons, suspension noise develops. Bushings start to wear around 40 to 50 km. Some interior wear. Touch surfaces may lose texture with heavy use. Brake wear. Pads may need replacing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.